I'm too stressed out, tablespoon. 1, 2. Let's go 2.5.
Here we go. Whoop.
was a lot of cheese. Cream cheese. Ah, okay. Turn up the heat a little bit. Oh yeah.
Where's the beef? Here's the beef. Oh. I could have put more chicken. Let's give it a taste. Oh, ooh, it's salty. No salt needed. This will be fine over rice. Mmm. We start off with the fork and maybe finish off with the spoon. Let's get some bacon. Where's a piece of chicken? Is that a big? That's a good piece of chicken. Let's get some bacon. Bacon, rice, and chicken and spinach. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Tasting it alone, it doesn't need salt. With all the rice, I think it does. Let's try it with another piece of bacon and a mushroom. Mmm. That's fine with the bacon. That is so creamy. Oh, that's good. Mm-mm. Have you heard of cracked chicken soup? That's what inspired this. I didn't want to use cheddar though. I didn't want to yellow it up. It's already a little beige. Oh. Very decadent. I think the only thing I did wrong, not enough salt, more chicken. But you can always add chicken. You can add hot dogs. Last bite. I'm going to clean up and we'll be back to talk about the cookware. Good Wednesday. Have you heard of Forever Cookware? It's possible. They were known for making very similar items to Magnalite. The roasters almost looked identical. They even made hard anodized cookware that looked the Magnalite Professional line. Dark gray pots, silver handles and lids. I've spent a whole bunch of time recently searching. I think I found one page where someone was talking about Forever Cookware. Some of the cookware said Forever Louisiana. to tie into the whole Cajun cooking thing like Magnalite. I did not expect to find these. No. Now you can find some used on eBay. And I also have a little surprise coming tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a quickie tomorrow that also ties Magnalite back into this. It's a little strange. Let's just take a look at the 1 quart. How's that for a bell? Very nice and shiny. You can tell a lot about the quality of cookware, and I've said this before, I believe. If you get a Bakelite knob and you look and you see that there's a brass insert, and you don't find that on all of your cookware, oftentimes it's just threaded in there and you don't have the brass insert. So you can tell that they were thinking about stuff like that. It's just so beautiful. Beautiful and shiny. Some of the Forever have a picture of the state of Louisiana when it says Forever Louisiana. Nice thick walls, not too thick, not too thin. This is an aluminum collar. The handle is easily removed. There's a screw here, and you've got this aluminum collar. It's kind of a globby handle. It's not really beautifully sleek like Magnalite, but it's highly polished. That cooked the rice very well. I'm very happy with that. 2 quart. This morning, I put the chicken sauce over eggs on toast. Show the picture. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.